Namaste. Welcome to the video lecture series on the periodic property and its variation. In this video, that is video number 1, we are going to take brief introduction for modern periodic table. Now generally everyone is aware about modern periodic table from class 9th. So modern periodic table is based on modern periodic law, which states that properties of an element are periodic function of its atomic number. That means as atomic number changes, properties of an element undergo change, but it do repeat itself after certain fixed interval of a time. So this is an image of modern periodic table. Now here we need to know certain things about modern periodic table, that is groups. Now as you know, there are 18 vertical columns in modern periodic table. So there are 18 vertical columns are present in modern periodic table, and this 18 vertical columns are known as the groups. So here we have group 1, 2 till 18. So there are 18 vertical columns which we call it as in group. Now we know this particular groups by certain characteristic names, like for example group 1 or 1a, we call it as an alkali metal. So this is group 1, we call it as an alkali metal. So elements like lithium, sodium, potassium, they are called as alkali metal. Then group 2, we call it as an alkaline earth metal. Group 2, we call it as an alkaline earth metals. Then group 17 or 7a are called as halogens, that is sea salt former. So we have chloride, bromide, iodides are found in seawater. That's why they are called as sea salt former or halogen. Group 18 or zero group element are called as noble gases, or they are also called as inert gases because of their chemical inertness. So they are called as inert gases. Okay. So this is about group 18 or zero group element, and the element which are present from 3rd to 12th group, that is 1st B to 7th B and 8th group, which has got 3 vertical column, are called as transition elements. Now we need to know elements present in some specific groups. Okay, so I am going to list down those elements which we need to know in our study of periodic properties of an element. So the element present in first A group or the first group, which is commonly known as alkali, the element present are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Out of that, francium is radioactive. So these are the elements which are present in first A group or the first group. Then the element present in second group or second A group, like we have beryllium, we have magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Out of this, radium is radioactive. Then the group 7A or 17. So the element present in this particular group are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Out of this, astatine is radioactive. Then the element present in 0 group or 18 group, which are called as inert gases or noble gases, are your helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. So these are the elements which are present in 0 group element or 18 group. Now In a modern periodic table, there are horizontal rows. So those horizontal rows are generally considered as period. So they are called as the periods. The horizontal rows which are present in modern periodic table are called as periods, and there are 7 periods in periodic table. There are 7 periods in periodic table. Now here also we need to know some of the elements which are present in your periods. Like first period has got only 2 elements. First period has got 2 elements, that is hydrogen and helium. That is hydrogen and helium. Then second period has got total 8 elements. So it has got total 8 elements are present. So in those 8 elements, I am having the element starts with lithium, then we have beryllium, we have boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So lithium has got electronic configuration 2,1. This is 2,2, 2,3, 2,4, 2,5, 2,6, 2,7 and 2,8. So this is the electronic configuration of these elements is been written for the reference. Then the element which are present in third period of the periodic table, that is there are also total we have 8 elements are present. So total 8 elements in the third period of the periodic table. So the elements which are present like sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. So sodium electronic configuration 281, magnesium 282, aluminium 283, silicon 284, phosphorus 285, sulfur 286, chlorine 287 and argon 288, octet completed. So these are the elements which are present in third period, and we need to know first 2 elements from the fourth period. First 2 elements from the fourth period. So first 2 elements in fourth period are your potassium and calcium. So potassium electronic configuration 2881 and calcium 2882. So these are the 20 elements which we have studied in class 9th also, and same we are going to continue in class 10th also. So this is about your basic introduction part for a periodic table of an element which we need to know for studying the properties and the variation in periodic table. Thank you for watching.